Hi math friends, today we're going to be talking about translating phrases into algebraic expressions. The one thing we need to focus on though is an expression versus an equation. An expression does not have an equal sign. No equal signs. So an example of an expression would be 2 plus x. There's no equal sign there, there's nothing to solve. An equation does have an equal sign. An equation might be like 5x equals 35. Now there's something to solve here. Over here, an expression, nothing to solve. Some expressions might say things such as double a number. A number. We can use any variable. Let's use r. Double, well, multiply by 2. 2 times r. Instead of using a multiplication symbol, we're going to make that a little bit simpler. Put those right next to each other. That means they're being multiplied. 2r. Doubling r. Also, 5 plus a number times 3. Well, 5 plus a number, let's put that in parentheses to show that that's a quantity by itself. So 5 plus a number, we'll use x, times 3. Let's rearrange that so it looks nicer. And then we'll distribute to simplify this. So if you did this problem and you wrote 5 plus x in parentheses and then times 3, or you wrote 3 times the quantity 5 plus r, you're not wrong. We just need to make sure that we simplify it to 15 plus 3r by using the distributive property there. Lastly down here, we have twice a number is subtracted from 7 times a number. Well, subtracted from means that this part will come first. 7 times a number, I'm going to let that number be t. So 7t. And twice the number is subtracted from, so we'll subtract it from there. And then again, we'll combine like terms. 7t minus 2t, we're left with 5t. There's no equal sign, there's nothing to solve for. All we have is our expression each time. Finally, we have, let x be the first of 3 consecutive even integers. Find the sum of the first and third numbers in terms of x. This can be a headache. Let's break it down though. X is the first. So x is our first number. 3 consecutive even integers, sometimes that can be a little confusing. I like to think of that as, well, let's pick a random consecutive even integer. Let's start with 8. If I kept counting up to be consecutive, I would have 10. That would be my next even integer. If I kept going, I'd have 12, 14, 16, and so on. If I picked another one, I might start at 1,000 and then go to 1,002 and then 1,004. Let's look at the difference though. 8 to 10 is plus 2. So that means our original, our x, we're going to add 2 to it. So that'll be our second of 3 consecutive even integers. Then 8 to 12, we're going to start with our first and always go to our last there. Always start with the first and then go to the next one. Plus 4, well, our original is x, so we'll add 4 to it. X plus 4. This is our third. What is this question asking for? What is this statement asking for? It asks for the sum of the first and third integers in terms of x. So first and third, we'll add them together. X plus 4, combined like terms, we have 2x plus 4.